Now is the sample testing. Push the yellow, the wrong button up and down for the machines, and the two-hand button here. And then we can adjusting the welding time to the 0.7 seconds. And then we are testing to see or not. Okay, this is our welding, so we decrease the numbers. This is, we call this welding machine the parameter settings. Yeah, this is okay. So we remember the delay time, welding time, and the hold time. Delay time is the machine up time, and the welding time is ultrasonic time, and the hold time is after ultrasonic it will pass the time. Okay, that's it.